Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We're glad you're here. Today we're uncovering something that could completely change the way you think about money. So let's get started. The wealthy don't just use money to buy things. They use money to buy back something far more valuable, their time. Most people spend hours doing everything themselves to save money, without realizing how much valuable time they are giving away. Money can often be earned again, but every hour you lose is gone forever. And that is why time becomes more valuable as life moves forward. Your brain wants to save money today, but it often forgets to ask what your time is really worth. The wealthy understand that money can return, but time cannot. So they use money to protect their time and create more freedom.
For example, paying for help can give you back hours that you can use for work, family, health, or the things that matter most.
The goal is not to spend more. The goal is to spend wisely when the time you gain is worth more than the money you spend. Start asking a better question. Is saving this money worth the time I am giving away?
Real wealth is not just having more money. It is having more freedom to decide how you spend your time. The ultimate luxury is not owning more things. It is having the freedom to choose how you spend the most valuable thing you have, your time. If this changed the way you think about money, follow Money Psychology Academy for more money psychology and start making smarter financial decisions today.